Hey guys, it's Brandon, creator of Happily Dressed, a fashion blog dedicated to self-acceptance, self-confidence, and self-sufficiency, and welcome back to my channel. So it is currently 9 o'clock at night, and I have been inspired to sew. I just feel like it. It's been a while since I've just felt like doing something, so I thought, why not challenge myself? Today, I really want to make this like baby doll style dress that I've seen almost everywhere. I'm gonna throw in a picture for like inspiration. It'll be kind of shapeless, wider, so I won't need a zipper because I'm not trying to go crazy tonight. It'll be long and then kind of have like a gathered bottom, which will be really cool. And for the sleeve, because it's spring, I don't want it to be long sleeve. I want to give it like a big bell sleeve, similar to a shirt that I posted on my Instagram a while ago. But you guys know I love a puffy sleeve, so that's what I'm going for, with like a cinched in cuff. So wish me luck. This will be a voiceover video because I just want to get to it and see if I can do it. And if I can't, then this will just be a fail video. I just thought that I'd record my process because it's rare that I have little sparks of inspiration. So I thought, why not try to document it for the channel? This is the fabric I'm using today. It's this gold something. Most of my good fabric is back at the studio. And I had plenty of this, so I knew if I messed up, it would be fine. And it's not a fabric that I'd be missing anytime soon. And this is just for play, so I'm not too worried about it.
Alright, so I started out by freehanding the front first, like 2/3 of the dress, because the last third would be the ruffle part that'll be cut out separately. I kind of just freehanded this from the measurements that I took on my own body, and then I used the front to map out the back as well. I did have to end up fixing the neckline. It was a little too tight, so I just cut it in deeper after the fact. But just using the front to dress out the back is like the easiest way to get something done. This is me cutting out the gathered part. I just used the length of the fabric and maybe went down about 14 inches and then cut one out for the front and for the back. I also used the front to freehand the sleeve, and because the sleeve was going to be gathered, I made it a little bigger than it was supposed to, so that way I could like gather it to make it a nice little puffy sleeve. Also realized that I needed to do some cuffs as well, so I cut those out too. So here's everything: the fronts, the backs, the sleeves, the cuffs, and then the gathered parts of the front and the back. I started off with the gathered part by serging and hemming it, so that way I could gather everything and attach the gathered part to the front and the back before anything else. And gathering is pretty simple. There's tons of videos on how to gather, but here I'm just attaching it to the front, and I do the same with the back as well. Here I'm just attaching the front to the back, right sides facing, and here is not necessarily the finished product, but we're getting somewhere. And now I have to just attach the sides. Oh, bam, look at that magic, baby. It's attached, and then now I'm working on the sleeve. I'm gonna serge and hem whatever needs to be hemmed, and then go ahead and get the sleeve in order. This is also the moment where I realized, maybe I should start on the cuff first and attach the cuff to the sleeve before I attach the sleeve to the dress. And that's exactly what I did. I was making sure the cuff was tight enough to sit where I wanted to on the arm. Then I went ahead and just gathered the bottom of the sleeve to be able to attach it to the cuff. I sewed it down, and then wham bam, you got yourself a working sleeve, baby. Now I attached the sleeve to the dress, and I did the same to the other side. Basically, the dress is done. I just had to hem some stuff, but this is what it looks like. I actually really liked it.
Alright guys, it is 1 o'clock in the morning now, so I'm gonna go to bed. I actually finished, was able to even to hem the top, even though I wanted to like add like some kind of bias instead of hemming it with a fold. But I got lazy, so I just folded it. I wanted to try to show you the full look in the morning when I have some bright ideas on how to style this dress, because I have no idea. I think it was cool though for me to do women's wear, because I feel like I don't do that a lot. I'm happy with it. I need to like steam this now to get all the wrinkles out. But I'm happy with the way it turned out, really. Good morning, everyone. So right now I'm just ironing the seams in the dress so that it lay down flatter. All right, I ironed it and I actually really like it. I do feel, you know, in Charlie the Chocolate Factory, when it gets that golden ticket, I kind of feel like the golden ticket. This is like editorial puff. I want everyday puff. So I think if I were to make another one, it'd be out of a lighter cotton fabric. But then also I would kind of make it long sleeve, but it'd be like a billowy sleeve. So it'd be kind of the same concept as up here, but it'd go further down. But I mean, I'm not mad at it. So here's the dress in its entirety. I definitely think that the sleeves are a little too puffy for me, but it was just fun. I'm still getting used to this haircut and I feel like I look really bald. But anyway, I think for me it was just fun to actually feel inspired to do something again and to kind of execute it the way I envisioned it. But actually I'm really excited to recreate this when I actually get a chance to go to the fabric store and buy real fabric, and then I'd probably sell it or give it to my sister. But this is just the random things I get up to during quarantine. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, you can give it a big old thumbs up. To see what other crazy stuff I make and get into, you can follow me on Instagram at happilydressed, and I will see you guys in my next video. See you guys later.